Alright, so we're getting out of Las Vegas, as you can see. There's Maeve. Look at her sitting pretty. So we're going to drive down the strip here. F1's been a problem, as you can see. This is part of it. If you look to the left, there's all the stands and most of the track there on the left. So as you can see, we're trying to get out of it here just to, I don't know, get out of Las Vegas, but it won't be much longer. Here we go. All right, so we're driving way out past everything. We are now driving out toward Mount Charlieston. As you can see, the clouds are really defined. And it was just a beautiful day. This is a couple days before Maeve and I left to go to San Diego. Had to get away from F1 this year. After 3 years of driving Uber, I just had to get away this year. As you can see, the rain's starting, and there's this beautiful rainbow right there, if you notice, so that's pretty cool too. There was nearly no visibility whatsoever once we got into the rain up in the mountains, so I just decided to stop real quick and do a little video with my phone. Alright, Florida Man in Exile here. We decided that we would get out of Vegas today. I've had some problems lately with, had some medical issues, and I recently have been home. Things are good. I got a procedure set up come in December, but I haven't been able to do a video lately, so here I am. We're gonna do a quick one today, and I think Maeve is very restless. She hasn't been out in a while, but for the most part, I decided to come up into the mountains. It's a rainy day. It's just rainy in Vegas, so I thought, well, let's go somewhere that I usually wouldn't go. And I don't come up here that often. I probably should a little bit more. It's a great little park. I come up here a few times with the VA. We've had a couple picnics up here, and it's really nice. And Maeve loves it up here. And Maeve is soaking wet because she decides to run out in the rain as much as possible. But she's being chill right now, thank God. But you know what? She has to go get her ball. Ball. Get up here. Come. Sit. Good girl. Yeah. God, she listens so well. I love her sometimes. I get frustrated for no reason. She's like the smartest dog ever, and sometimes I'm like, rawr. I don't mean to. It's part of my personality, kind of that. But she's the sweetest dog ever, I tell you. Look at this baby. But anyways, well, all right, Florida Man in Exile. God, it's really cool out here. These clouds look amazing. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and whatever. Comment. Watch my videos. Tell me what you think. Good or bad. If there's anything I need to change, let me know. After making the video, we still ascended up further, getting close to where the ski lodge was, but it was still very rainy, as you can see. The GoPro was getting just obliterated by the rain, but it was making these really cool, trippy kind of looks as the rain was, pushed by the lens with the wind. Once I was able to get to the highway, I knew that wasn't too far from getting downtown, which is pretty close to where I live, and it's a lot of fun. So if you ever make it down here, be sure to check out Fremont Street.